Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts and welcome. I just wanted to pop on real quick to show you guys how I'm making these fun little clusters here. So I have a slow stitch project that I'm adding to my Etsy shop. So the link's down below if you want to come check it out. This will be in my Etsy shop. And this is the example for it. But there's lots of vintage lace and uh, there'll be some thread, lots of thread for you guys to use on it. And I have some cheesecloth, and it's all coffee dyed, some avocado dyed fabrics, and just whatever fabrics I have that I have embellished and made all grungy for you guys, and some eco printed right here that I did. So I also have some buttons and just fun little things that I've thrown in on it. So that's what this comes into play because I'm making just a just doing a mass make of some clusters, and I figured I'd pop on and show you guys what I'm doing here. And they're really fun and easy to make. So I'll just show you guys real quick. So it's a great scrap buster. So just take whatever scraps that you have. And what I'm using is these gemstones, and I'll put the Amazon link down below if you guys want to check them out. Now, if you don't want to do gemstones or anything like that, or if you don't have any buttons, are great to use. Just, throw in some buttons on top for a fun little focal point. That's a great thing that you can use. Some beads. Beads are a good idea that you can pop on there. So I'm just going to show you the construction of it all real quick. And I have tons of my little thread scraps and fun little fabric scraps. I'm just getting all those out. And I'm going for more of a neutral tone here for this slow stitch kit that I'm working on. I'm just getting out some coffee dyed threads and, maybe some coffee dyed little rope that I have here, cheesecloth. There you got. And the color threads out of there, I don't really need those. Okay. So I'm starting with the base of, I'm just using a jean. And then I have Fabrifix glue here. Let's see if it cooperates. It wasn't working that good earlier. I think I got it flowing again. And then I take my little threads here and pop those down first. And you can do as much as you want or as little as you want. And then I just take my fabrics. We're just going to layer it up. Whatever you guys have. I mean, like I said, this is a great scrap buster. Just sit in front of the TV, watch your favorite program, and make a bunch of these. And these are great to put on your junk journal pages, on the covers, on slow stitch projects. Just so many things you could do with them. Okay, so I have that. And then I'm going to pick out a couple of colors here. I'll do a black one. Okay. And now for this part, I've been using my tweezers. This is kind of the fiddly part. And then you just take it and pop down that. We're just taking them and gluing them down. Okay, so I'm just going to glue these down. Sometimes the tweezers come in handy. There we go. And sometimes you're just fighting them, but there we go. Pop it on there. And it really is just easy as that. And you just take it and layer it up. And you got yourselves a cute little cluster. So I just wanted to pop on and show you guys that. Let's go ahead and try to make another one here. I'll show you guys with some buttons. I think that'll be cute. So that's what I'm doing today, is just getting out some things, some fabric, some buttons, some little gems, and just seeing what I can make here. And you could do the same thing with paper. So you can get out paper and take all your little paper scraps and stuff and just start stacking those all up and gluing them together, and then just do, you know, a fun little focal point on the front. You could do die cuts. You can do just, I mean, really just look at your stash of stuff that you have. I'm sure we all got a bunch of stuff hanging around here. A little piece of cheesecloth in there. That through, because when I'm doing projects and stuff, I always just take and put a bunch of little scrap fabrics over here too. And just for this reason here, it is great to grab and just put together here. Just make some fun little, oh, ooh, look at that one. Little clusters. I mean, they're just so much fun. Look at that. That's coffee dyed and all kinds of goodness happening. So you can just do a snip. Easier. Down. This one probably doesn't need to be as long. Glue on it. Oh. This one I think we can just grab with our hands, but you can use, I just wanted to show you guys, you can use some tweezers if you needed to. And if you want, first you can put some thread through it. But I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. Look at that. So those are going to be really fun to put in a slow stitch project or on a journal or anything like that. So I just really wanted to just pop on real quick and show you guys some fun clusters that you can take, and it's a great scrap buster to get rid of some scraps and make something pretty with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.